Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to remove people from Shopify. So make sure to watch the video till the end to follow all the steps. So first, if you're going here on Google, as you can see, to remove people as a payment option, access your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the settings tab. Under the payment providers section, locate PayPal and click on deactivate. So this will disable PayPal as a payment option of your store. So first up, open your Shopify on your browser and make sure to sign in with your account. Now click on the settings right here at the bottom left hand corner of your screen. So once you click on settings, here you want to select payments. So click on payments, and here under the payments, you will find payment providers and also the PayPal as your payment method. So click on this PayPal here. So you can see the PayPal Express checkout. So all you need to do is click on the activate right here at the bottom right hand corner. And to confirm, as you can see here, your account details will be saved and you can reactivate PayPal Express checkout at any time. So to confirm, click on the activate button. So that's it. That's how you basically remove PayPal from Shopify. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.